Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video, my friends, we are taste testing HelloFresh meals. 30 minutes or less. Here we go. Okay, my friends, so this is what it looks like, my friends. Does it look like the actual picture of HelloFresh? I think it does. I think it does. Right? That's
This is the reveal.
Yeah.
Wait reveal.
Here we go. Okay, so we have our plate here, and as I told you guys, the potato doesn't seem like a lot of potato to begin with. So let's dive in and we can taste this. One person's missing, but she'll catch up sooner or later. Okay.
More gravy than actual food.
Food? Yeah.
It's good. It doesn't taste bad.
Doesn't taste bad. Mm-mm. I like that it's littered with vegetables. I started at 4:38 to do the prep. I just finished.
Doing the most.
So, but I think this will probably take half an hour or maybe 40 minutes if I wasn't recording and, you know, stopping and going and stuff. Now, it's pretty tasty. But you see, this is almost done. It's like 2 tablespoons of potato that you get for a family of 4. I don't know.
But again, if they're done with a dietitian, this is what an adult should be eating. Right? So, not after my long day of work.
I know. This is what I'm thinking too.
Yes. Staying in your bed takes a lot of energy.
You know, we got lots of sauce though left over. So it can do for lunches. However, you're going to have to do it with something else other than the potatoes, unless you want to make some more potatoes yourself. But it's pretty tasty overall.
Really good. Was it simple? Do you think you could recreate it if you didn't have all the extras?
I think I could. The direction was simple to follow. As I told you, it was only 6 steps on this one. Some of them only have 5 steps. Simple, plain, you know, the font is big enough for, you know, people to see.
Would you need your glasses, son?
I do. I did still need my glasses just for extra. So it's a go? What do you think? A thumbs up or thumbs down?
No, I enjoyed it.
I have some fun.
And I like the fact that you can also just create some rice or your own side.
Yeah.
And still, you know,
Yeah.
enjoy it.
I think so. I think, yeah, this tomorrow and some rice will taste good.
Yeah. Because it's super, like the gravy's super tasty.
Yeah. So that's it, my friends. Stay tuned for the second one. I'm not sure which one yet, but we'll continue this, okay? Here we go. Okay, my friends, this is easy cottage pie. This is how it looks. This is how ours looks. Did it take it says 35 minutes on here. Do you think it took 35 minutes to make the pie? No? How long did you think it took?
Not exactly sure. Over an hour.
Over an hour. Okay, so another one that's a little bit longer than the 35 minutes. I'm not quite sure why HelloFresh is saying 30 minutes meals when this took over an hour. And this is what I found with some of their meals are mainly over the time that they said it would. So, but it looks good. Was the instruction easy to follow?
Yeah.
Yeah, no complications?
No. You turned off the heat.
And okay, so let's plate this and we'll give it a taste test and we'll let you know. With your one hand. Here. Let me do it. Wow, it's nice and creamy. Wow. Okay. What happened to all the meat? All right, my friends. So I'm gonna be tasting the easy cottage pie. And this is what it looks like, and this is what ours look like, right? Okay. We think that looks good. Huh? I love the how the potato is very fluffy.
I'm not even a I don't like shepherd's pie. It's never my go-to meal, but this is delicious.
This is delicious.
Super flavorful meat. The potatoes are wonderful. I don't know how she got the crust.
Yeah.
I don't understand how it's baked but fluffy. I don't even like peas, but it goes so well with this that I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
This is delicious.
Wow. I mean, you know, shout out to the people at HelloFresh. They know what they're doing.
The cooks and the nutritionists, right? This is really good. What kind of meat did we use in this one?
It's ground beef.
Mmm.
And you can also, if you don't want to use ground beef, you can use lamb. They have the lamb option.
Nice. I think this one is a hit. I wasn't too liking.
I was pissed when I saw it. We missed our deadline to choose our meals, so they sent it to us depending on our preferences. And I hate shepherd's pie. But again, I'm impressed.
Yeah, this is really delicious. So this one, my friends, is an easy cottage pie. So if you're gonna order HelloFresh, be sure to get this one because it's pretty tasty. It's pretty delicious. I am surprised about the taste. So I'm gonna continue. So tomorrow meal, I am not quite sure what it's gonna be yet, but
Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow we're doing burgers.
Burgers tomorrow. So we'll just follow up and just keep reviewing the HelloFresh meals. This is Italian inspired beef burgers. This is how it looks, and this is how it looks on the picture. This is how it looks, and this is how it looks for us. Beautiful. So was it easy to make? It says it takes 30 minutes on here. Was it 30 minutes that it took?
Yeah, I would say about
30 minutes. Yeah, easy to do.
very.
Yeah. Okay, so let's taste and see. Which one is mine again? This one? Let's taste and see. Not bad. Taste it and see.
Oh shit! I want to take a picture.
It's not bad, my friends. Not bad. And here are the fries. There has the Wedger's House Parmesan cheese on it. Nice. Not bad. This one is a go, my friend. This one is a go. I don't mind it. Nice size hamburger. Look at that. Whoa.
Let me turn mine around.
Beautiful. What's the dip?
It's just mayo. It's mayo and Italian seasoning.
It's beautiful. I really like it. Okay, so we have one more meal to go, my friends, and I'm going to let you know what our thoughts are, what our favorite, what we didn't like, what we dislike. I'll let you know. Okay? All right, my friends. Thank you. See you tomorrow. This is the almond crusted chicken with sweet potato mash. This is how it looks on their poster, right? And this is how mine look. It's incredible how it looks the same, my friends, right? What do you guys think? Okay, so let me just ask, what do you think? How was this menu?
It was good.
It says 40 minutes for this one, the almond crusted chicken. How long did it take you?
I would say it took about 40 minutes.
About 40 minutes? Okay, was it easy to follow? Were you missing anything?
Yeah.
What were you missing?
When cooking the chicken salt.
The chicken what?
Chicken salt.
Chicken salt? What do you mean the chicken salt?
She was supposed to use chicken salt on the chicken.
Chicken salt.
Chicken salt right there. It looks like a bouillon cube.
Okay, and then what happened?
And she forgot to.
Oh.
So she ended up using like red salt instead to
Oh,
season
see.
it.
Okay.
But
it still works.
it still works.
So did you taste it already?
Yeah, I did.
So here's the poster again, the almond chicken, and here's my finished product. And overall, HelloFresh is the way to go, honestly, my friend. But I overall like HelloFresh for its convenience, easy to make meals, nutritious meals, delicious meals. And, you know, sorry, my friends, I lost some of the footage. This meal was absolutely delicious. There's a nice blend of seasoning on it, crispy and salty. It was totally delicious. It's a hit. This is Sizzling pork fajitas, and there's a picture of the fajitas, and this is the ones that we have made. It looks, yeah, I guess it looks good. How was the process? What do you think?
It was easy. It
Yeah,
was fairly easy. Yeah.
it's fairly easy. And did it take you 30 minutes?
No.
Huh?
Yeah, I would say about 30 minutes. Yeah.
About 30 minutes, and easy to follow.
It was very simple to follow.
Okay. So we're gonna try this and let you know how it tastes. Okay, take a bite. So this is what my plate looks like, and minus the roasted peppers, my friends. Those are the roasted peppers. Oh, that looks so good. Yeah. So this is sizzling. Sizzling pork fajitas, and this is from HelloFresh. And as you know, I'm trying the menus from HelloFresh, right? 30 minutes. I was told that it took to cook. I didn't make this one because I came in so late. But what do you think? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a taco fajitas person, but it's not bad. Not bad. Okay, so that's it, my friends. Tomorrow we're gonna try menu number 3. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be cooking yet, but you're gonna hear our final thoughts. So that is it, my friends. So I suggest that you go out and try it. I like the convenience of HelloFresh, honestly. And as I said, this is not a sponsor. This is not a sponsored video, but HelloFresh, if any of your marketing managers.
The quality is unparalleled. The convenience is there. If you're with 4 people, particularly adults, the money value is there. Obviously, if you were, buying 2 or less meals less often, there's going to be a price difference. But right now, it's working out better than I expected.
Yes, myself too. And that's it, my friends. You heard it from us. Something better. So let's go ahead and say it, my friends. This is my time, and I deserve something better.